Okay, back out in the garage, working on the old Nordic. I did a bunch of shit. I didn't film half of it. I've just been so busy. I haven't been able to. So sorry for that. But this is the most interesting parts are coming. So all right. But I built this. So this muffler, because the engine that was in here had a different style muffler. It had like a fat cylinder thing, but it was all rotted out and garbage. Like I couldn't fix it. So I took another round cylinder one, but I couldn't set it the same way because I don't have like the right 90. So I made this bend and I made it work. So it pointed right at you. So I just welded on another little dump pipe there. Yeah, the welds are super ugly. The steel is super thin, from the 70s. So it's not the easiest to weld. So the welds are a little ugly, but the leaks that they have will make up for the fact that it'll have too much. It'll muffle. It's gonna muffle too much. It's gonna because it's for a 340. This is a 440. So I don't know if we're gonna see if that works out. But yeah, I sprayed the cylinders down with some WD-40. I welded on a little, clutch cover because I know that belt is probably going to explode. Because knowing my luck, I put the engine in there just crooked enough that it wears the belt out really quick and explodes. I mean, it looks really straight. It's pretty damn straight. So I don't drink anymore, so I don't usually have any beer accidents where something doesn't get put together right. All right, so that's about that. Move these out of the way. I'll show you what else I did. I don't know what the hell those are from. I don't know what the hell that is. There's the hood in the corner here. But I made the seat. I made the hinges work. So the seat's on a hinge now, like it used to be. I made the old throttle lever work with the new throttle cable from the 440. I cleaned the carb out. I checked for spark. I put on a kill switch because it didn't have a kill switch. I forgot when I pulled this engine out of the wrecked sled. It came out of an Everest 440, 77 or 78, I think. And I should have taken the wire harness when I took the motor, so I forgot. So I just wired up one wire. I haven't done a headlight or nothing yet. This one's probably just going to get sold real quick, so I don't think it's gonna stick around long enough for me to care about a headlight or tail light or any of the unimportant stuff. Brakes are working. I'm gonna plumb up the fuel tank now. Zip tie the fuel lines. I'll make it look kind of neat, and just finish cleaning it up. See if I can get it running. Yeah, it was bullshit trying to get that motor in there. Not easy, but it's done. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're at the part where we start things. Let's just set some of that junk over there. See if I can find a place to set you guys up. Yeah, that ought to work. Alright, let's see if it'll start. Okay, where's my magic spray? Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of, let's open that throttle cable with my knee. Give it 2-3 sprays. And see if it fires. Come on, baby. All right, well, it started. But I think the throttle is open too far. Let's turn that idle screw out of the ways. Woo! My heart's pounding. I didn't think it was gonna take off. Well, it ran.
You little shit.
It ran for a sec.
Let's get that over.
Okay.
George, you want it? George, buddy.
That's not gonna hold very well.
Come here.
Okay, take
Pause.
two.
Let me check your pause. Oh, no, you can't go over. Sorry. Go for a shot.
Okay, that sounded better. Alright, well, I'm getting the idle closer. I don't know if that fuel pump is working. I don't know if that fuel pump's working. I'm gonna find out. Alright YouTube, what's going on today? We got the Nordic kinda running. Take it out on its first like, little shakedown ride, see if it's gonna hold together or fly apart or just be a damn good unit. No air filter, so you know, that's the thing. Yeah, I guess, that's it. We got Tanner's sled going here too.
Give her a little prime here.
And yeah, I'm gonna get this thing fired up. She's on my phone, of course. Oh, I guess I gotta leave my tube behind, unfortunately. It doesn't want to start without the spray. Let's get the magic juice out. Give her 2 sprays. That thing's loud, really loud. I'm gonna put my earplugs in. But it works. It's terrifyingly sketchy. It doesn't have very good brakes. Apparently I'm destroying a belt. And that is okay, as I did not bring a spare. It's okay, Tanner has one. But it seems to be working pretty good. I don't know where he went, so I'm going to sit here and wait.